Hi, this is How To's. In this video we are going to see how you can keep a track of your goals on Google Calendars. Currently, Goal feature is only available in your Android or iOS devices. It is really a great way to track your progress towards your goals. To begin with, open Google Calendars on your phone and then click on the plus icon at the bottom and click on Goal. Now here, enter the details of your goal that you want to achieve, like exercising, learning a new skill, or any other goal that you want. Let me just select exercise here. Now here, select what exercise you want to do, like I want to run, then select frequency, like I want to run daily for 30 minutes. Then, select here at what time you prefer to exercise. I want to run in the morning. You also have the option here to link this goal with Google Fit. I'll just ignore this for now, and then just confirm this. Calendar will then automatically find a suitable time for this goal. Once the goal has been created, later to complete it or reschedule it, you can either click on Did it, or you can click on Later to reschedule it at some other time. So, this is how you can create goals in Google Calendars. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.